Ba't kayo masyadong nagmamadali?
Pwede mag-audition
Unang-una,
nga. Mapil lang ko ninyo
reglementary
kwan ba?
period,
Mapil
mawala
kong
sila kami
drama.
pag hindi namin ginawa ang trabaho
Bakit?
namin.
Anong reglementary
Ungo na lang.
period? Anong period
Ungo
yun?
na lang akong role
Dahil
ba?
sinabi na nga
Pwede
ni
ka, ha?
Executive Director sa ating PCTC na diffusion lang naman yun eh. Wala nga commitment pinag-uusapan dun eh. Wala nga red notice, pambira eh.
There is a warrant.
Tagal na ni Arnie Tevez eh. Wala pa rin, di ba?
This
Ba't
is
kayo
a-
nagmamadali? Ano yung reglementary period mo?
May I refer you to the SOJ, ma'am, if the SOJ wants to answer that.
Hindi ba pwede kayo na muna? Mauna lang kayo, tapos sa si SOJ. Pwede?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
My main processes during the time is that I have implemented a warrant, and it is therefore the person is already arrested by virtue of a legal warrant. And Article 125 comes to play of the revised penal code, which is entitled delivery of persons legally arrested to the proper judicial authority. And I do believe at this point that